This short 2-minute video will show you how to make a trifold brochure or template in Google Docs. Step 1. Change the page orientation to landscape. Go up to File, down to Page Setup, click that and change to landscape. Also, change all the margins to 1 centimetre. Click OK. Step 2. To create the trifold format, go up to Format, Columns, click More Options. We'll click 3 columns. We'll take the default spacing and we'll put a line between the columns. Click Apply. So for speed, I'm just going to copy in text and photos. Control V. And there you see the content taking the 3-column format. Step 3. Remove the lines between the columns. They are useful as guides when building the page, but when you're finished, you may wish to remove them for stylistic reasons. Click off the tick, click Apply, and the lines are now gone. If you feel this video helped you, please help me in return by subscribing. Thank you.